am Dr. Anirudh Kumar Mathur from AV's Happydent Dental and Orthodontic Hospital. It is located in Balkampet. It is near Ellamma Temple. Yeah, we had started this hospital on the basis for good and proper treatment for all the patients, and we believe in the adage of creating happy smiles for all the family. See, nowadays when the treatment was initially when we used to go to the dentist only, we used to go to when we had pain. We used to go there, tell the dentist to take out the tooth and come back. But now the totally different scenario has appeared now. So taking that into consideration, we had started this hospital. And then on the consideration and on the suggestions given by our patients, we have taken into account all the problems that the patients face while going to a dental clinic. And then we have incorporated all those things for the comfort of our patients. For example, now there are a lot of nuclear families around, and the housewives will be there. They'll have to handle the children, and they won't be able to leave the children and come back to the clinic because our dental treatments are time consuming. So for their convenience, what we have done is in the hospital, we have arranged a play area for children where our staff who are experienced to handle the children, they look after the children while the mother or the father get the treatment done in a good environment over here. So these are the small things that we have started incorporating thanks to the patients who come down over here and give us certain suggestions. And coming to the treatment part. See, initially when there was treatment that were going on for the dentist, the treatment patients used to just come down over there and just tell to get the teeth removed. But I would like to ask you one question. When you have a pain in your hands, your legs or any other part of the body, do you go to the doctor and tell that to repair or to give you a treatment so that the pain reduces, or to remove that part of the body? So why the stepmotherly treatment for the teeth? So teeth is if you can say, a most used part of the body, or if you can also say that it is the most abused part of the body, because we tend to neglect it. So we always have to keep on increasing, and we keep on try to neglect the teeth problem till the last day, and then when you come down to the doctor, we are not able to do anything.